In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the GitHub Copilot chat coding extension. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. GitHub Copilot has been making waves in the coding community as a powerful tool that helps you write code more efficiently. But did you know it also has a chat feature? This extends beyond simple code suggestions, allowing you to interact with an AI chat assistant right in your coding environment. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Well, let's break down the steps to get that Copilot chat feature set up and running. First things first, you need to make sure you have access to GitHub Copilot. If you already have it, great. If not, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward. Simply head over to the GitHub Copilot page. Once you're there, look for a button to get started, which will usually guide you through the process of obtaining access. This might involve selecting a payment plan. GitHub Copilot does offer free trials, so take advantage of that if you're just starting out. Once you've got your GitHub Copilot set up, and hopefully you're excited about diving into the coding assistance it offers, the next step is actually downloading the GitHub Copilot chat extension. If you're using Visual Studio Code, which is a popular choice among developers, this will be a breeze. Open up your Visual Studio Code application. Now, to find the chat extension, you'll want to look for the Extensions view. You can easily access this by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of your VS Code. This icon looks like a square with a little square cut out of it. Pretty intuitive, right? Alternatively, you could just press Ctrl plus Shift plus X if you fancy using keyboard shortcuts. Once you're in the Extensions view, there's a search bar on the top where you can type in GitHub Copilot Chat. As you type, you should see a list of results appear. The extension you're looking for will usually be at the top of the list with the GitHub logo next to it. Click on the Install button associated with the GitHub Copilot Chat extension. It might take a few moments to download and install. When the installation is complete, you'll see a small notification indicating that the extension has been added successfully. Now here's where it gets interesting. After it's installed, you'll want to make sure it's enabled. Often extensions will enable automatically, but it's always good practice to check. Next, to start using GitHub Copilot Chat, you should open a new file and get your coding environment set up. This could be any coding language that Copilot supports. As you begin typing, you should notice a little icon or button that signifies the GitHub Copilot Chat is ready to assist. Click on this, and you'll be brought to the chat interface where you can start asking your coding-related questions. Whether you need help with a specific coding problem, want explanations for snippets of code, or even seek advice on best practices, GitHub Copilot Chat is there to lend a helping hand. Just remember that like any AI tool, the more context you provide in your questions, the better the answers will be. Now, let's say you're not seeing the extension function as expected, or perhaps you encounter some glitches. No worries. Try restarting Visual Studio Code. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve pesky issues. If problems persist, checking the GitHub Copilot documentation can provide insights into troubleshooting steps. And there you have it. In only a few minutes, you've set up GitHub Copilot Chat in your coding environment. Leveraging these tools can tremendously enhance your productivity, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out. Thanks for joining me in today's video on how to get the GitHub Copilot Chat coding extension. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more coding tips.